Hey, realness careers, last day of finals. As you can see, I got my whole fit on. My excellent outfit. I'm gonna flip the camera so you can see. This is a Vlogmas. I don't know what day it's gonna be, but it's gonna be lit. I think I skipped one day, so this is my final day, and this is my bag of the day, and this is
Paga mueve el boom, 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 paga mueve.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas.
So I have my NASA outfit, my bag from Aldo, my hat from the thrift store, thank you Grandma, my sunglasses from Amazon, my necklace from Alicia, one of my friends, and my phone, and I'm just enjoying this final. And then my Converse and some cozy socks from Old Navy, because I'm cute but I'm cold. Here we go. So you guys, I'm going to, hold on, I got a text. So you guys, I'm heading to Chick-fil-A to get my last final breakfast. So that's gonna be lit. I'm gonna get the chicken minis with a lemonade with the meal. And then I'm going to a study group for my last final. I got an 80 for my final for health, not health policy, for my family society class. And hopefully I got a C in that class. If not, it's fine. But you know what? I tried, and I got an 84 in the final, so that's lit. Whew. On my way to Chick-fil-A. See you there. You guys, I just finished my last final. I think it went either way, so hopefully I passed it. But I am officially done with my last fall semester of my college life. Last fall semester. One more spring semester to go, and that will be it. Hopefully I did good. I think I did decent. When I was looking at the information, I think I did good, but I don't know. Because it was like reject the null, fail to reject the null, and I was like, arr. So here we go. So you guys, I am done with finals, and now I have to clean my room for I can go home for the break. Dirty Mirror Chronicles, and if I can't have you, man, bitch, I'm blessed. Boy, oh boy, I finished. I cleaned my kitchen, I cleaned my bathroom, I cleaned my room, and now I am going to be done. I am done. I am finished. I am through. I am moved out. I am moving on, a different chapter. Fall 2019 is done. It's never here. Never seen it. Fall 2019 who? Fall 2019 what? Spring 2020 coming up. Graduating May 2020, and I am out this bitch. Out it like an Audi belly button. Out it, period. Alright, I'm joking, but yeah, I'm done. So you guys, I moved out, and now I'm just sitting in my car waiting. I decided to go to Jaya's house, and I'm at Jaya's house now, and now I'm just waiting. I think we're gonna do something today. I don't know what we're gonna do. We're just going with the flow. Oh, I like this. I like it. It's finished. It feels so finished. But yeah, now we're in Jaya's house. Say hi, Jaya.
Hi,
Jaya's like the rich friend. I understand. Like, I'm the bougie bitch. Wait, is it bad? But yes.
Hello.
But yeah. Ugh. We are at a nature trail. What you guys need to do is, you need to get a friend. At least I would say like 3 times a month, and go somewhere in the nature and have a good time with your friend, just vibe with your friend, and then just like enjoy the scenery. Like, this shit is fucking beautiful. But like, what? Who could never? Oh my god.
Never.
People could never. Like, you can't cover nature. This shit is the most peaceful shit you will ever see. Like, dead. For real. It's beautiful. But yeah. I'm eating Doritos, and we're gonna get waffle. What are we gonna eat? Waffle House.
Is that supposed to be in sync with you?
A little bit, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! You messed up again. Okay. Waffle House. Waffle House. Waffle House. She was supposed to sync with me, but it's okay. It's fine. Do you want to drive? Fine. You say what? Hold on, let me unlock the door. Yes. How you feeling, Jaya?
Full.
Ooh. So I just dropped off Jaya, and I'm gonna head home now. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this crazy vlog of me and Jaya just goofing around, being best friends. I miss you, Canal. Don't forget it. And also just like going out to eat, having fun, going to a preserve. Like, this is lit. You guys have to, I'm really sure, you guys have to go one day with your friend and just enjoy it. Or with a kid or with a husband, somebody. Just enjoy it. Bye.